Hello everyone, this is Arvind here, and today we are going to discuss about our chapter number 9, that is a bicycle in good repair, and it is written by Jerome K. Jerome. It means his full name is Jerome Kalpaka Jerome, and we were discussing about the author. Jerome K. Jerome was born in 2 May 1859. Okay, and date of death is 14 June 1927. Okay, and he was an English writer, and he was born in United Kingdom, and also their death was also in United Kingdom. So let us start our chapter. Dear student, actually, this chapter is between a machine and a human being. Actually, this story is related to humanism and machinism. Then, the narrator one evening, accepted his friend's proposal to go for a long bicycle ride on the following day. He got up early and started waiting for his friend. Then, after his friend came half an hour late, he examined the narrator bicycle. He shook the front wheel with force. He didn't heed the narrator's request not to hurt the machine. The friend declared that the front wheel was unsteady. Okay, and it could prove dangerous. He asked for a humor. He took his front wheel off the fork and held it between his legs. He found fault with the bearing. He set about replanning the machine. He unscrewed it. Okay, he unscrewed it, and the little iron ball rolled away. They controlled some 16 of them. The narrator put them for safety in his hat. Okay, this is our first part of this first part of this story, and now we are going to begin and start the part 2 of this story. Next, the friend handled the chain. He took off the gear case. He claimed to know all about a bicycle. He removed the gearbox but lost the screws. The narrator was too weak to check the friend from doing further mischief. The friend went ahead. He tightened the chain till it would not move. Then he made it very loose. He finally decided to fix the front wheel in a place. The narrator then changed places. We are seeing here in the picture that the front wheel was removed from the bicycle, and he was just doing an engineering. With him and put the wheel into a tight position. He laughed and admitted that he was an ass. The reason was that they had forgotten to put the iron ball in place. Actually, he was trying to replace or recheck their bicycle, but he has forgotten to put iron ball, it means bearing ball, at the right place. The narrator looked for his hat in which he had put the ball safely, but the hat lay upturned and the balls were scattered. They could fix only 11. They fixed 6 on one side and 5 on the other half. An hour later, the wheel was put in its place again, but it wobbled even then. The narrator was impressed, not so much by his friend's skill at repairing the bicycle as by his confidence in himself and his hopeful attitude. The friends got encouraged. He then set to refix the gearbox. He put the bicycle in different places and position for the job. He lost his balance and hurt himself on the head. Then he lost his temper and tried to punish the bicycle. It was a sort of fight between man and machine. Okay, the tough bicycle showed spirit. It freed itself from the hold and hit him over the head with its handle. As a quieted one, the man thought that the work was done. He himself was dirty and bleeding. He cleaned himself, and the narrator then sent his home. It was difficult to decide who had suffered more, the friends or the bicycle. Now, this chapter is clear to you, and I hope you will better understand this chapter. And thank you. Have a nice day.